Hi Pyro friends, time for a new fireworks battle between two battery cakes I've tried, Bling Bling and SilverPalmTree. Bling Bling has 25 shots in the caliber size 30mm, the net weight is 372.5 gram. The effects are red star and blue star with a white strobe mine shot. In the air the effects are red dahlia and white strobe stars. SilverPalmTree has 25 shots in the caliber size 20mm, the net weight is 250 gram. As the name implies, the effect is silver palms. So to the video, enjoy. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.